Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
Use your own sense of humor to think like, is it actually possible that an Igbo man like me will want to go on rampage, killing the young, successful Igbo men in Southeast? I beg, I won't make you think. When this unknown government started, there was a time they were in the public domain. People make video of them. People also came to social media and said, listen, these people are not speaking Igbo. Some of them could speak Igbo, but not fluently. We don't think these people are Igbo people. But we always forget things easily. I want to make we check into this matter. You see, many of you who don't, or let me just put it like this, like, on my own opinion, because I said how to end the unknown government is on two conditions. But I'm still going to come to that. The Nigerian government itself, because I stand to be corrected, guys. Because make you check Nigeria, the whole Nigerian government, they have all the DSS in Southeast. They have all the police in Southeast. They have all the military in Southeast. And unknown gunmen will come into the society, into the middle of the town, kill somebody and go scot-free. Can we just think? Can we just think? I know it's barbaric. Seriously, it's me. I don't. You see, people are pointing finger to Ipob, and I disagree with you. That Ipob is not behind the unknown gunmen. Before Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, he always emphasized that he knows nothing about the unknown gunmen. But when he unveiled ESN, he made it to public domain. He made the video and said, yes, I am the one who assembled this ESN. And the reason for assembling the ESN is to protect the Biafraland, is to go into the forest and make sure our people go back to farming, and make sure people are safe, and make sure people are not raped, and make sure people are not butchered in the farm, and make sure the Fulanese headmen who use their cows to eat people's crops do not achieve their aims anymore. That was the reason of ESN. And up to today, as I speak with you, at least the Southeast is safe at least 90%. But now, we know they talk about Fulani henchmen. We know, yes, they are still there. They are still committing some atrocities that is not in the public domain, yes. But the problem where we get now are these unknown gunmen who come. I mean, I don't know, randomly killing our youth. And what thing I want to ask be this, so as big as, look at all the Nigerian security outfit, none of them could one day and come into the social media and tell us, say, this is one of the unknown government. But only thing where they see, be say, they go catch somebody innocently. Oh, this one is Biafra. And they claim to say they are one of the unknown government, and which is not. Because Nigerian government now, when they see somebody where we are, if they come to your house and find out that you have a Biafran flag, you have a Biafran shirt, you have a Biafran bangle, you have a Biafran t-shirt, you have a Biafran shoe, what thing they go do? Say they go arrest you, carry you, go to put you on TV, then carry guns, put on top of the table. Let me tell you guys how all this thing works. You may not agree with me. It is okay. This is how Nigerian government, you see, government is powerful. I want you to understand, there's no doubt about it. Government is powerful. This is what they do. When they arrest, if they come to your house, or maybe through information, they come to your house and they find out that you have anything to show that you are supporting an Ipob. They will arrest you, and then what they do is they brought you and called the medias, and they will not allow you to talk. They will not allow you to talk. A lot of innocent Biafrans, a lot of innocent Igbo guys, some of them are not even Ipob. Majority of them are not even an Ipob. I want to make you understand. You see, I talk my own how I feel. Oh, there's no sentiment. I'm not putting sentiment here, and I'm telling you what I know and what I think, and this is my own personal opinion. That Nigerian governments are behind the unknown gunmen. I always tell you now, say government they powerful. Make I tell you now, the reason for this unknown gunmen. Make I tell you now. You see, this thing get different version. I want you to understand that we have different version of these things. If actually the unknown gunmen are for Biafrans, they shouldn't be going for the youth. Why should you be going killing the youth? If actually you are fighting for the freedom of this same youth, and you go to the street and find, do I say out of jealous? No. I don't think there's any Biafran man. There's no any Igbo man where go just look, carry gun, randomly targeting people who are, their future is bright. And that is why I'm going to give you advice. Stop flaunting. I beg una wait there for West there for Nigeria. Una wait there for Southeast. Stop flaunting. If God give you motto where you the right, please be careful where you go. If I were you, make una lay pipe low, make una begin the pipe low. Because this unknown government, they target youth. Youth where we said that they see said this one get future. And make you check them out now. Even the army themselves, the military themselves, they are kidnapping the youth. They are kidnapping the youth in secret. And these things are always known to us. Okay, why should you just randomly kidnap innocent youth because they believe in their own ideology? Is not carrying a gun. You see, I'm sorry to say this. I'm going to say this. Nigerian government no sabi anything. I'm sorry, not be said they no sabi. It's just their selfish interest. Nnamdi Kanu has been in their domain for almost a year now. They believe that kidnapping Nnamdi Kanu will make the agitators pipe low. But it's not happening. If Nigerian government really want to, if actually the Nigerian government really, or let me put our Southeast politicians, they actually want this issue to resolve, there should be negotiation. We have always said it that the only way to solve a problem at the end of the day is sitting down and negotiate. So you know what? Send people to Nnamdi Kanu. Release the guy. First of all, if Nigerian government gets hurt, is to release Nnamdi Kanu. Negotiate with him. Now, have a meeting. Listen to his own side of the story. Of course, you all know the problem. That we are being marginalized. Not only marginalized, we are living as a second-class citizen. In fact, we are living as third-class citizen in our own country. We are living as slaves. We sit on negotiating table and talk. And we are not saying the talk self no go solve the issue. The issue of Nigeria is the constitution that is not favoring everybody. Not be saying Nigeria no get money. Nigeria will have money. We have money to build Nigeria, make it look like Dubai. But these same politicians are buying houses in Dubai. They invest their money. Oh, not even their money. They invest your money, my money, our money, in infrastructure in another man's country, like Dubai. As I speak to you right now, Atiku is in Dubai, unless if you don't come back. The same man who stole our money, they take it to go and build Dubai. They take it to go and build Europe. I don't understand where we are coming. I know everybody, all of you now understand where we are coming from. We are angry. Yes, we are angry, but we are not here to kill. Me, I hate war. Do you know why I hate war? I don't hate war when men die in war. I hate war because the war will affect innocent children. Innocent children will be affected. Even the Nigerian soldiers will be affected. Yes. There's no way you go to war without emergency. Me, if I be Nigerian government, you see Nigerian government, sometimes, I don't know what I fit to qualify Nigerian government, seriously. There's supposed to be a negotiating table between the agitators, listing. Nigeria needs to be restructured. I mean, I told you guys, this is my opinion. This is my opinion. If Nigerian is restructured, everybody, at least we will live, and we will see how we take it up from there. We will take it up from there. If Nigeria, if these people can list it, why are they refusing restructure? Why are they refusing to give us freedom? Why are they refusing to give referendum? People are suffering. Nigerian problem is beyond what you people think. These people called Fulanis. You know, at the talk at all time. Some Fulanis are just innocent. They are just as innocent as me and you are. They don't know what is going on. But once they hear we talk Fulani, they go come, they vex. Once you mention Fulani, they will become angry. Say, why are you mentioning Fulani? Are you feel me? Do you feel me? Some Fulani just don't want to live their life. I'm going to give you an example. In this country, as we speak, Palestinians want freedom. But as a Palestinian okay, they want the freedom. They have been wanting to get their state of Palestinian for decades. But I must tell you that they are divided, but they can't speak out. Many Palestinians want to live in one voice with Israel, but they can't speak out. Once you speak out, they kill you. Once you speak out that, oh, let us live in peace with Israel. Let us live in peace with Israel. They are going to kill you. So do Fulanis. Fulani cannot, in the midst of Fulanis, and say, oh, what you're doing is not good. They support each other. They do support each other. Because I'm kind of confused that people are dying of hunger as we speak now. People are dying of hunger. Dollar has become almost 600 for $1. $1 is almost 600 naira. When I would think, say, maybe the presidency is your problem. Bringing a new president is not your problem. Your problem is actually the constitution. Your problem is actually the people in Senate. The people in House of Assembly. Actually your problem. These are the people who can stand up and sit in that Senate and say, hey, you know what? To fix this country, we have to change. This constitution needs to be changed to favor everybody. Anybody who steal money, anybody where they give contract, where thief money, that person should be hanged. And when I go see, say, Nigeria go begin to change. I'm telling you the truth. Anybody who is given a contract to fix a particular road, and if that road does not meet international standard, that person should go to jail without looking back. Anybody who is in politics should not go abroad for any reason than they should not go for their personal issue abroad. Like, okay, I want to go and rest abroad. Yes, of course you can. Why not? It's a free world. As a politician, you want to go and rest here, you are free. I'm not going to deny that. But the constitution should carry no politician should buy house abroad, and no politician children should school abroad. Or if the politician children should school abroad, because sometimes you can't deny, there are some things you can't deny. If I choose to go to school abroad and my father is a politician, now what I think is this: their salary should be cut down. Politicians' salary should be cut down. This is the reason why we are having problem. Somebody sitting in the Senate, House of Assembly, getting 13 million, 12 million every month. This is too much. And as we speak now, Nigeria is borrowing money to pay salary. We could not check them out now. We could not know the things. So maybe we're stupid as we talk. We ain't stupid. When we come to debunk Peter Obi, that Peter Obi will not and will never lead us to the promised land. Not be because I don't like him, not be because I did stupid, but because of that, he gets something where they hold us down together. That he will never be allowed. He has a dream, fine if he does. We should understand. I understand not everybody will want to support, agree with me that we all want Biafra. Oh, Biafra should we want Biafra, but it's only few that sees the future. Now only God they see future. But we have seen all the drawing, handwriting on the wall. We have seen all the drawing on the wall since 1960, when we don't get independence. See where we did now. See where we did. I was as young as 18 when I begin to understand life, that, oh, people go abroad and enjoy. I mean, people go abroad and hustle. When you go abroad, you begin to build house. When you go abroad, that's the time you can make it in life, as in whether you are educated or non-educated. Then I put that in the palm of my hand, my left hand. I said, you know what? Me too, I go follow them and go abroad. And here I am. I saw how things are. When you look at this, our politicians, they also claim to school abroad. They also claim to school abroad to see all the good amenities, the securities, electricity, good road. The roads are as smooth as they can be. We are not asking the government. No government in the world share money to their people. No government in the world share money to their people. How do we go back to the drawing board? How do we go to start afresh? That is why I said, if they don't want to give referendum, let them go and say, okay, you know what? We are going to restructure Nigeria, where every state will take their resources and manage their resources, and take the power out of the federal government. The central government should just remain in central, and everybody will come and do what? Give the central government, pay tax to the central government. And this is the only way I think we are going to find our feet again. But without this, oh, somebody is coming to manage Nigeria. Oh, I'm going to be the president and manage Nigeria. No, it's not going to work. The corruption don't eat us enter bone. Corruption dead until it reach market. Mama wait there for market is corrupt. In children are corrupt. In school are corrupt. Children are corrupt. In class, everybody they cheat. WAEC, GCE, everything corrupt. We are corrupt from top to bottom. How do we save the masses? Saving the masses is taking the resources and give to the state. And do you know why these people are refusing? Because all of them now trade. They don't buy Nigeria finish. The oil in Southeast, they don't buy. Now them they trade. They don't want to lose. People like Otedola, all of them, Dangote, Wike, all of them, they have bought businesses that when the center government, when the state get back the power of their resources, they are going to lose all their businesses. And this is why, and this is the reason why Nigeria is not going to move forward. Thank God, this is the only voice I have. This is the only voice I have. I pity Nigerians too much. Now make they do like this. Everybody want to leave. Even those who are clamoring, I want to vote for Peter Obi. Peter Obi, obedient. You don't need to leave Nigeria. You don't need to leave. Stay, stay and fix it. Let me see. Don't run anywhere. Don't run anywhere. Because I don't know what to say anymore. I don't know what to say anymore. You may come here to abuse me. You may come here to abuse me and say anything. You are also a victim. Maybe you are working for the government, maybe you are police, maybe you are military. All of you are the same. Waiting they hold that mama wait there for market. Where that mama they suffer. Now the same thing. The difference between the woman in the market and you is because you are working under the government. They are paying you that shaking money every month. At the end of your service, 35 years, go to the streets of Nigeria, go and do interview, go and look to the people who don't retire. There's no good package. There's no good package after 35 years. Some of them they not even build house. Some of them don't even see money to send their children to a good school. As I speak to you, Peter Obi children are not in Nigeria. They are not going to come down and vote for Peter Obi. But Donald Trump, his children and wife all came out and voted for him. But the situation of Nigeria, you see, they are going to carry their children and their children are abroad. Una go vote. They go carry money give una. They go shoot, kill una. Una mama go lose una. Some of una we don't get wife and children. Una go lose everything we una get. Your wife will lose you. Your children will lose you. Your families will lose you. Is that how to play politics? Giving people money to go and vote? Why are you buying the people? You should vote your conscience. I don't believe in giving money to vote. I've never voted in my life. If I reason the same thing, maybe by now I will have told you, oh, I voted some time ago. I never voted in my life because I don't care. I know my vote is not counted. My vote will never be counted. When it comes to federal level, when it comes to governorship, your vote will never be counted. I said it the other day that there are people in Niger right now, the PVC in Niger. They are registering in Niger. They carry PVC go. You see, anything when no fit happen in another country, it happen for Nigeria. Do not doubt me when I say the PVC is in Niger and they are paying the Niger people money to come and vote. Do not doubt me. If you're doubting me, send me a WhatsApp message. Oh my God, send me a WhatsApp message. Maybe my phone don't get problem anyway. My phone has a problem. Maybe I'm going to refine. You can send me a message. Maybe I'm going to rectify the phone. I will send you a video. When I want to see evidence before you know that your vote will not count. Don't misunderstand me. Oh. I know talk say make you no get PVC. I know say make you no vote Peter Obi. Me, I did not say don't vote. I didn't say don't vote. But be mindful. If you vote Peter Obi, I'm okay. But will Peter Obi lead you to the promised land? You may see me here shouting, crying every day. You make me look like a fool. But I'm not a fool. That's because we all have problems. Not everybody will speak. Not be everybody go fit can speak. How many governors have ever speak? How many media ever speak? The other day, I saw on Arise TV, Ruben Abati pointing fingers on Biafrans on Arise TV. Just because everybody they talk say on the people are unknown government and not unknown government. As a media, I think media in Nigeria do not know what they are doing. BBC, Arise News, Channel, AIT, name them. They don't know. They are not. They can't do investigating journalism. That's what they call investigating journalism. There should be an investigating journalism going to ask people questions about this unknown government. How did it happen? Were you there when these people shoot your friend? Who was there when they shoot people? How do they look like? What language do they speak? How many of them are there inside motor when they kill somebody? Go to Southeast and do investigation. Know who and who is killing people. Are they really the Ipob killing? Who are these people killing people? But they are afraid. They are afraid. They know the truth. But they always pointing finger. We are one Nigerian. So, oh, me, I know there for division. No, na Ipob. Na Ipob. You see, Ipob is like an orphan now. Or Ipob is like let me use this scenario. In a village where I get one active boy for village before. This guy, if you want fight, if anybody cheats you, if you call and make you come fight. You understand? For village, you go fight. But people, they take ice. But where bad look the guy. Not be say they fight, they just fight. But if you see where person they cheat another person, he will stand up for the truth. But people for village, they take bad eyes. Look at if something lost, the first person where village go they look now, maybe not that guy. But that guy not the thief anything. Because he stood up for the right. Many people would think that he's a bad person. This is the scenario about us. May God save us. That's all I have to say. Nigerian government, if they want to end unknown gunmen, they know unknown gunmen. They know the unknown gunmen. They know it. They are killing every day. But when you see Soludo and the other governors saying, the people that are killing, let them come out from the bush, come and get an amnesty. Oh God, you need negotiation. If at all, you don't know, you need to call your brother is on lockdown. Nnamdi Kanu is locked up. Una we be Igbo politician, una be mumu. Mumu na una be see Yoruba people. They don't go save their brother out. Una do they do mumu. They follow Hausa people for Fulani people for back like mumu. Instead of you to talk, none of them stood up to say anything. I've never seen them write anything on social platform. I've never seen on radio. I've never seen on newspaper. I've never seen on social media. To stand up and say, you know what? Or even behind the scene, to make sure Nnamdi Kanu is out. That brother is kept there. You see, the other day when they say, oh, Nnamdi Kanu dead, my brother listened to me. Do you know why I didn't say anything about it? I already know they are not going to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Brother, my brother there, they want to hold him until after the election. Do you understand me? They want to hold him until after election. That's what they want to do. But this is my message this morning. I'm not going to talk past like this. Thank you very much.
So, my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.